Hello everyone, in this video let us talk about Atlassian Community. So today I wanted to talk about this very amazing portal called Atlassian Communities, and this community is basically a place where you can ask questions, where you will find people helping each other, and I usually try to spend some time, like maybe half an hour, 15 minutes every day on community. And apart from me, you will find a lot of people who will be there responding to questions. But there is one thing that I realized, or basically I see every day. Most of the questions are, in my opinion, already asked by someone. And I thought I'll probably record this video and I'll probably share this tip that if you have any problem with your Jira, if you are a new Jira administrator or if you are a new Jira user, try to first search on the community or just do a quick Google search, because when you look for those problems that you are facing, most likely someone else also might have faced those problems as well, and maybe there is already an answer on the community. So do search and do try to help yourself. It will not only help you in learning about what you can do with the tool, with let us say Jira, but I think it will also improve your knowledge around different features, different customizations that you can do with the tool. And if you know the answer already, let us say if you're searching for something, or maybe if you find a question, you can also contribute, you can also respond to problems that people are probably facing. And I also try to spend some time on a regular basis on community, because I don't really work on all the tools every day. If you talk about a tool like Jira, it is quite vast. There are so many things that you can do with Jira and with, of course, other tools as well. But I spend time on community. I look for these different type of questions that people ask, because I want to also keep my skills sharp. I want to know different trends that are currently there in the market, because when you look at those questions on a regular basis, you realize that there is this gap when it comes to specific features. Of course, Jira is not the perfect tool. Confluence is not the perfect tool. It is, of course, a tool that is solving a major problem. It has its own advantages when you compare Jira with other tools, but it is not, of course, the most perfect tool out there in the market. And when you look at these questions that people are asking, you realize that there are few things that can be improved. There are few things that even we don't know as a consultant, because we have been working on Atlassian tools for many years. Personally, I have been working on Atlassian tools for more than a decade, and sometimes I encounter very simple questions, and I have no idea. I never thought of those things before, and I think spending time on the community is a great way to just stay up to date with whatever is happening in the industry. And when you look at these questions, those questions can be simple questions. Those questions can be really difficult questions, and you have no idea. Of course, you also want to learn those things. So when I look at those questions, if I know the answer, I reply. If I don't know the answer, I keep a note of it separately. And sometimes I know the answer, but I'm not sure, so I quickly log into my Jira instance and I do some quick research. But the thing that I want to talk about today is spend some time doing some research. A quick Google search or just looking at some possible answers on community will really help you. And I thought I'll probably share this today in this video. and I hope you enjoyed watching me outside. Usually I make my videos indoors in my room, but I thought I'll probably change the scene. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much.